Everyone, it's good to see you again at Wealthy Coins. The long-awaited Shiba Inu update here, as well as the latest Shiba Inu coin news and price predictions. With Bitcoin trading above $220,000 on October 6, cryptocurrency values kept rising. The world's largest and most famous cryptocurrency, now valued at $2,397, was up nearly 1%. After a day of gains of about 1%, the global cryptocurrency market closed at $1.01 trillion, back above the $1 trillion level according to CoinDeco. In today's video, we'll go over some news about the Shiba Inu coin and how great it is. A thumbs up, a share, and a subscription would mean the world to us. Stay up to date with our latest expert analysis and pricing estimates for Shiba Inu by subscribing to our channel. Now is the time to begin the video. Connected to the Ethereum network, the second largest cryptocurrency, Ether, surged over 2% to $1,382. The Shiba Inu price dropped over 1% to $0.12 today, as Dogecoin's price stayed around $0.06. The coin's formation of a symmetrical triangle pattern indicates investor uncertainty. So far, the Shiba price prediction has been all over the map. Even though it was one of the most hit cryptocurrencies in the recent market crash, Shiba has done wonderfully in the past week to recover. In the last 7 days, the price of Shiba Inu increased by 2.15%. Stats from CoinMarketCap show that it is one of the top 20 performing cryptocurrencies. This rise of about $250 million brought the market capitalization up to $6.2 billion in real time. There are 26% of SHIB holders who are profitable at the present pricing, while 69% are losing money, based on the on-chain metrics that show the overall profit made with Shiba Inu. From what we can tell from the token description, barely 5% are actually making a profit. The official Shiba Inu Twitter account has hinted at a collectible card game that is perhaps the most difficult ever. The highly anticipated video game project Shiba Eternity is set to premiere worldwide on October 6th, according to recent announcements. The developers announced the release date during a September 23rd Twitter Spaces event. The original launch date was October 1st, but the download day has been officially delayed. The game became an instant hit during its testing in Vietnam and Australia before its release. The game's lead developer, Shoshi Kusama, has also expressed his excitement at the game's public release, saying that he has been enjoying it for some time. One of the main complaints leveled against meme currencies is the seemingly unlimited amount of tokens they give out to users. It is Shoshi's desire to understand everything. Asterisk practicality. Assuming it is successful, the Shiba Eternity asterisk might significantly affect SHIB, which has already grown substantially. A lot of community-oriented projects are in the works with the SHIB team. The first is the asterisk Shiba Eternity, which will appear in a video game. And the second is the upcoming game Shurem. Burning Shiba was an effort to create scarcity by diverting SHIB to unused wallets, thus removing it from circulation. In a tweet he made on October 4th, Shibburn listed the 3 primary ways the platform is bad for SHIB. Shibburn website is the initial approach. The second tactic is Shibburn Radio. People can also pay to become super followers on Twitter, which helps them burn more SHIB. This burning process will cause the price of SHIB to climb. The current price of Shifu is $0.11, and the trading volume for the past 24 hours is $278,593,000. Shiba Inu has experienced a decrease of 0.91% in the last 24 hours. At the moment, it ranks 14th on CoinMarketCap with a live market capitalization of $6,247,761 scored. Every one of these SHIB coins is one of 549,063 billion or 278 million. We are unaware of the upper limit. Immediate support for Shiba Inu around $0.119 has been offered by the 50-day moving average. If SHIB has a bearish crossover below the 50-MA, it will likely go to $0.193, which is the next level of support. If the selling pressure on SHIB increases, the price can fall into the $0.151 zone, breaking below the $0.193 triple bottom support level. The robust fundamentals allow Shiba Inu to trade in a positive fashion. Consequently, there is a significant probability of a positive trend continuation at $0.111. Nearby $0.157 are the primary level of resistance. Breaking this level might take SHIB to $0.01195. The burning mechanism of SHIB is constantly improving, and it sometimes reaches speeds in the 4 digits. Several causes contributed to the token's growth, including price reductions and recent ecosystem improvements, which prompted buying sprees. During that time, the burn rate of the meme cryptocurrency hit a new all-time high. at a rate of almost 3,000% the token, burned through nearly 200 million coins. Data from ShibEarn indicates that a pod of whales independently wiped off millions of SHIB tokens. If we're talking about whales, these powerful buyers are still buying the flagship coin at an incredible rate. Just in the last 2 days, 2 whales have taken over Shiba Inu habitat areas valued at millions of dollars. These businesses spent more than $8.6 million on 700 billion SHIB, and one of these whales moved 541 billion tokens worth about $6.6 million to another wallet. A large number of SHIB are distributed to large Ethereum holders as reported by WhaleStats. Consequently, 2,000 of the largest Ethereum whales own Shiba Inu coins, which are worth $160 million. Taken together, the price cut for SHIB boosted interest in the flagship cryptocurrency and aided its cause. In fact, a poll of the August market conducted by CoinMarketCap revealed that Shiba Inu was one of the most interesting cryptocurrency assets for buyers all around the globe. Many cryptocurrency enthusiasts were amazed by SHIB's burning rate. But that momentum did not carry over into the pricing. Another 2% correction occurred at the $0.12 mark for the 14th rated altcoin. In order to increase prices, the SHIB army must follow the approach that Shoshi Kusama, the primary creator of SHIB, gave them. The chief developer of Shiba dropped hints that the company's Layer 2 scaling solution Shiram is about to be released. He is the final SHIB that is still in operation. In the future, there will be a project including the SHIB Metaverse and the SHIB Metaverse, and the SHIB-based stablecoin Shai. There was a sudden 205% spike in the trading volume of BONE, the governance token of Shiba Inu, according to statistics from CoinMarketCap. The price of BONE, though, kept falling, much to the bewilderment of those around them. As of this writing, one BONE was trading at $1.12, a decrease of 13.47% from the previous day. Since experienced traders buy and sell huge quantities in an effort to make a profit, higher volatility for any asset typically leads to higher trading volumes. Similarly, the rise in BONE volume may have been helped along by investors who wanted to get in on the BONE market while prices were cheap. It's plausible that investors were in a hurry to take advantage of the recent price volatility. Trading volume, defined as the sum of all units bought and sold, is argued by some experts to be a misleading indicator of investor stance. Among the top-performing companies in August was BONE, which soared beyond $2 and hit a record high of $2.39 on August 30th. However, the bulls couldn't keep the stock above the $1.63 mark by the end of September, so it fell even further. Many people think that the ambiguity surrounding the Shiram launch was the reason of the dump, while the exact explanation is still unknown. The Shibu crew has recently shared an update regarding their metaverse. Despite a small drop in its ecology, SHIB introduced its audience to the canyon art concept in a blog post published on October 4th. While some members of the community may have been ecstatic about the new feature, some investors may have seen no reason to differentiate the update from other ecosystem developments. The 24-hour trading volume of SHIB fell 10% to $79.4 million after the release, which is hardly indicative of anticipation. There was hardly any evidence that the metaverse had any effect to steady the price of SHIB against red candles. This scenario suggests that SHIB purchasers were approaching near to control. The directional movement index, however, showed that SHIB vendors and purchasers were competing for interest. At the time of publication, the positive DMI was 18.30 and the negative DMI was 17.27. Despite a little advantage for the bullish signs, the average directional index had insufficient power to support the advantage. At 12.04, the AVX was trading below 25, suggesting the presence